What's up? JP of Channel 84 Winnipeg back in the driver's seat, and welcome back to the kitchen. The season's changing and the weather's getting colder, so today on the cooking channel, we are going to prepare a nice hearty beef stew, perfect for those cold days and those brutal winters. So, let's get cooking.
As always, let's take a look at our ingredients. First, we'll need plenty of vegetables. We have carrots, celery, an onion, and a sweet pepper. We will also be using potatoes, which are not seen in this shot. Next, we'll need stewing beef, plenty of beef broth, and don't forget the seasonings and herbs. I'm using oregano, basil, some rosemary, salt and pepper. Naturally, our first step is to cut and prep the vegetables. It may be hard work, but at the same time, if you want good product, you gotta put in the effort. Next, we are going to brown the beef in a pot with a little bit of olive oil added. We're just gonna brown it, we don't wanna cook the whole way through. Once the meat is brown, we're going to use a wire scoop to remove it and place it on a plate. After that, we are going to dump the vegetables right into the pot. We're not cleaning anything out because we want those flavors to really commingle. After the vegetables have softened up for a bit, after about 5 minutes or so, we're going to add the potatoes and the beef. Next is the fun part. We're going to add the beef broth and really start to get our stew on the go. Add your desired seasonings and herbs. Turn up the heat and bring to a boil.
Okay, at this point in the recipe, all the hard work is pretty much done. The stew mix is boiling right now, so we're gonna kill the heat and we're gonna let it simmer for a couple of hours. This way, the flavors can better commingle and it'll be much more noticeable in the finished product. But for this time, there's not really a lot to do, so we're gonna skip ahead to the final step where we thicken the stew up and then have a nice hearty bowl.
Our final step is to thicken up the stew. To do this, I am making a cornstarch slurry with cornstarch and warm water. Do not, under any circumstances, add straight cornstarch to the mix. You'll be left with nothing but white clumps, which are disgusting. Believe me, I tried that once and found out the hard way. Make the slurry. It's worth it. Stir the slurry into the mixture and turn the heat back up. Once the mixture starts to boil, it will start to look more like a thick, hearty stew. Once you have the right consistency, kill the heat and serve.
Well, the stew's done and it looks great. Got a bowl right here. Let's give her a taste. It's really nice. The potatoes are nice and soft. Got a little bit of crunch to the vegetables still. Meat's still a little tough to chew, but on the whole, the flavors are really nice. And that concludes this episode of the Cooking Channel. Try this for yourself and mix it up. You don't have to follow my recipe. These are just guidelines. Until next time, my name is JP, and this is Channel 84 Winnipeg. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for dinner.